Hello RC friends, welcome back to Props and Reels. Today my dad bought me this box. I don't know what is inside. It says it'll help me learn with helicopters. It's beginner friendly, and let's see what's inside. It's an Eachine E129 helicopter. It has 15-minute flight time, altitude control. Let's open it up. User menu. Comes with a helicopter pad. Extra propellers. Charger, tools and other propellers, battery, it's only one battery, helicopter, and controller. So, it's orange, not my particular color. We're going to see how many batteries we need, and then we're gonna fill the batteries. We're gonna charge this battery, we're gonna test this, and then let's see how it goes. These are my other helicopters. My dad purchased this one first. It is the Blade. Micro CX2. This is a toy helicopter. We already did a review about this. We didn't like it that much. It was hard to fly. It's toy grade. This was a gift from our friends Amanda and Chip. I haven't flown this one yet. It's a Blade CX3 coaxial. It's hard to fly, it's a manual. We're going to see if I can train myself with this, and then if I'm good enough, we'll fly the Blade, and then we'll try this one. Let's charge the battery now. It is red, probably means that it's charging. We'll come back a few minutes later and then we'll test this out. While we are waiting for the battery to charge, a few things to know. This is bank forward, back, right, left, rotate right, rotate left, altitude control. Going up, going down, and emergency button. Hold this for 3 seconds and then it will emergency stop. This button is also for automatic takeoff and landing. Let's see how many batteries it takes. It takes up 4 batteries, AA. We have them here. batteries are in. Now we turn it on. And what I also wanted to show you, this is my dad's helicopter. It is Eachine E119 helicopter. It is 6-axis gyro, 4-channel. It looks similar to this one. And the tail looks the same. The rotor blade looks like the same length. The colors look similar. Even the shape of the canopy looks the same. I think just different controls. This is more advanced. It doesn't have altitude hold. This is more beginner because it has altitude hold. Let's compare the transmitters, how they look. Let's move these to the side. Open the box. So this one feels more lighter than this one. This one feels cheaper. Let's hope it's better than it looks. This one, on the other hand, looks better. It has a screen. They look similar, but there's one big difference about them. This one controls the throttle. This one controls the altitude. I'll show you in the flight. The battery is charged. Let's do its maiden flight. You put it in here. It's flashing red. Put it onto the helicopter pad. Grab the transmitter. Turn on the transmitter. It is now rapidly flashing. We go up and down. Now it should be ready to fly. 1 key takeoff. Is kind of leaning to the right. I'm not sure why, but it's still flying good. This is definitely beginner because it has altitude hold. I'm just flying this. I'm not touching anything. It's going by itself. So I would definitely recommend this to beginners. It is a great helicopter. You can just fly it around. It has altitude hold. Something that I just use if you're just getting new to helicopters. I mean, you can just fly this anywhere. We're flying this in our basement. It seems to be doing good. Let's try landing it. Fly it again. One key takeoff. Now the sun goes. Going down. I mean up. fun helicopter. Just easy. I'm going to go around.
Why don't you try one key landing? Perfect. Great job, buddy.
So this is the helicopter. It's easy. Any beginner can do this.
And are you a beginner, Kaya? Do you think?
I'm basically a beginner to helicopters.
How many times did you fly helicopters? I mean, you flew the Blade Micro CX2 and then the blue one. You were kind of getting used to the Micro CX. How does it compare to this one?
This one is much easier compared to the other ones. Although I did have good times flying with the red one over there, it was still kind of struggling. But this one, it has altitude hold. To compare them, this has altitude hold, like I said, and this one doesn't have altitude hold. So I just think this one, anyone can fly it. It's a beginner helicopter.
Well, was it stable during the flight?
It was stable during the flight. It may have went a bit up and a bit to the left, but other than that, it was good.
What can you do about the going to the a little up or left?
We can trim them.
That may be the speed, but for the rotation and for the drifting to the right and left, you have the trim right, left, trim forward, backward, and trim rotation. So, would you like to test this button? It says like speed button. Why don't you let me fly this time, and I'm just going to test how that works.
Okay. I'm now using the camera. My father is now flying.
Alright, I'm going to take off by just hitting one key. Take off.
Ooh!
Oh, it got stuck on that little...
yeah.
We have some threads from the carpet. Yeah.
It's a real
and then I'm just going to, let's see how fast it goes forward and backwards. Not bad. I mean, it is going pretty good. Just hold it in the frame. And then I'm going to change this. Let's see. I'm going to do this. So it 2 beeps. Yeah, it's definitely going faster. Do you see how?
Yeah.
Wow.
Definitely not.
Definitely. Press 1 and this is the first 1 beep, the slower setting, and 2 beeps. Hold on. 2 beeps. Definitely going a little more crazy. So this toggles either going up or down, pushing up or down. It toggles between slow speed and faster speed. Let's see if I'll be able to land it as good as Kaya did. I think you were holding it right above the helipad and press 1 key.
Yeah, 1 key
landing. And adjust it.
And it
slowly winds down. Alright, well, Kaya, I think this is the perfect helicopter for you. I did good this time. Sorry about the blue one, it wasn't that good. And, well, folks, thank you very much for watching. This was Kaya's review. At the end, I just wanted to give you a couple pointers. Definitely I recommend this. I got this for about, I think, $42 from Banggood.com. Worth every penny. It came with only 1 battery though. So if you find a version with two or more batteries, get that one. That way you can keep flying. But dead stable, it's amazing. We are flying inside. We'll probably do another review outside when the weather is nicer. Right now it's raining. We will try it probably in a slight breeze as well, but very happy about this purchase. Highly recommend it, and Kaya, you recommend it as well, right?
Yep.
Well, thank you very much for watching. Well, you should do this last part, okay? Let me take the camera because this is your review. So
it's not tangled. Just gets stuck.
Yeah, it got stuck on this one, folks. That's the reason get rid of that part. So, okay. Why don't you finish the video?
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
No. Alright folks, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. And see you in the next one. Keep healthy and safe. Bye bye.
Bye.